Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting Cemu running and giving it the data it needs. Install the newest Cemu release and update your graphics drivers. This avoids stutter and crashes. Next, dump your Wii U console keys from hardware you own. Cemu cannot run games without those keys, and put them into the Cemu keys folder. Finally, ensure you have a legally dumped game file or extracted RPX folder on your drive so Cemu can access the title. Once the keys and files are in place, open Cemu and choose File, then Load, and navigate to your game's RPX or the dumped WD/WX image. You can also load an extracted install folder if it contains the RPX. Make sure Cemu recognizes the title ID and game name in the UI. Before you press Run, enable any recommended shader cache and relevant graphic packs. These improve visuals and reduce shader stutter. Now launch the game in Cemu and watch the log for errors. Missing console keys or corrupted dumps show up immediately. If the game fails to start or crashes, switch the GPU API or tweak graphics and audio settings, then retry. These settings often resolve incompatibilities. If issues persist, verify the integrity of your dumped game and confirm your keys were extracted correctly from your own console. Once those are correct, most loading problems disappear, and you can enjoy the game.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.